Hi guys, welcome back. You are in my US house right now. This is my apartment in LA with Sebastian, and this is my little setup that I've got going. Right now, there are hundreds of boxes right behind you, and this is like my little corner that I've set up so that I can start filming. It's taking us honestly ages to settle into our new place, while at the same time still trying to work and go to events and live a life, and we're already going back to Australia in like 3 days. So today I'm filming a sponsored video with Ciate London. I'm going to be sharing with you some of their newest products in a full face of makeup. We interrupt this broadcast, guys. Ciate just dropped me off an extra PR kit of their Jessica Rabbit collection, which I'm going to be showing you in this video. Anyway, I'm so excited because now I have, an entire PR kit to give away to one of you guys. If you are subscribed, have the notification bell turned on, and you thumbs up the video and leave a comment in the first 12 hours, you can enter to win this. Just leave a comment, like I said, and I'll pick someone to win. I'll send it anywhere in the world. Thank you, Ciate. They don't actually know that I was going to do that with this, but I just couldn't wait. Okay, back to the video. I think we should just get started, shall we? So their new product is the Extraordinary Foundation. Look at it. I love it. I love this kind of tube. I can still stand it up, that it has a pump and it's squeezy. Plus, this is actually 50 mils of foundation, which is quite a bit more than most foundations out there, and I really like the finish. It's like a buildable, natural, glowy, my skin but better finish that like blows your pores and everything. Plus it's 16-hour wear. So I'm gonna build it up. This is in shade 110Y. I'm definitely gonna go for like a light or natural-ish glam makeup today and focus on the red lip. You're gonna die when you see the red lipstick. Not literally, but you know. So I'm just dabbing that in with a sponge. And honestly, the coverage is so beautiful. It does a really nice job with just one layer of covering those imperfections that I had on my face. And then if you do 2 layers, you can build it up to, like a medium coverage. It's totally weightless on the skin. Check that out. Quick and easy too. Can you see the difference? Another half a pump to do the other side. I like to kind of dab it out to spread out the product, and then I go back over it to make sure it's all even. These hoops get in the way, but look at this trick. Okay, I thought it was gonna be a trick. Okay, no hack to see here. Oh, I love the finish so much. Now, if you want to use it as concealer, you can add a little bit more over the areas that you need it or that you want it. So I just put a little bit on the sponge, and I'm just gonna dab it right over the top of those little blemishes that I've got here. Thanks to the beautiful dry air here in California. Thank you. Doing wonders for my skin. Okay, love, 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 love. This foundation, guys, is available at Mecca in Australia, or it's available at ciatelondon.com for the UK and the US. I'm gonna run away now and do my eyebrows, but I'll be right back. Okay, the next product I'm gonna show you is from the Ciate London Jessica Rabbit collection. They have a really nice range that they've actually just launched. The Jessica Rabbit collection contains a palette, a highlighter, and an incredible lipstick, which I'll get to in a minute. But I'm gonna show you the highlighter right now. This is the Glow 2 highlight in Roger Darling. And as you can see, it has Jessica Rabbit embossed in it. And I've already used this a bunch of times and it still looks really nice. I'm gonna swirl my brush in it. And this is a really creamy powder, very finely milled, and it's actually really nice and natural. Again, it's like that layering thing where I can put on a little bit and it's gonna be a beautiful kind of diffused sheen, and then if I layer it, it gets pretty intense. So I'm gonna diffuse it all up here lightly, and then I'm gonna add a second layer to my cheekbone so you can see what I mean. And it's got long wear finish, so I'm just gonna put it on there, here. If you can see, that's like a peachy golden glow, but it's still good for my skin tone, because normally I don't like golden things, but it's I mean, can you see what I mean right there? I mean, it's so second skin. It's beautiful. Now I'll take a little bit more. Oof. I mean, hello. And then I'll put a bit here. Oof. It's gorgina. Okay, I'm definitely glowing like Jessica Rabbit right now. Next, I'm gonna move on to the palette. I'm loving these colors, guys. You've got a mixture of metallic, shimmers, and mattes. I'm gonna make something fairly basic because I want the emphasis to really be on the lipstick. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Oh Roger color. I'm gonna pack it on the outer part of my eye. This has a beautiful, I think it's like multicolored. It has like pink and purple in the glimmer. So I'm trying to layer it so that I really can see that because it's so unique and pretty. Then I'm gonna take Sunset Boulevard and draw on that way. That's pretty. Do you know what I find most impressive about that? Even though it's a very metallic and shimmery palette, there's no fallout. Then I'm gonna take Honey Bunny, that one. Bit in the crease just for some soft definition. Now that I've got all the shades on the eye, I'm gonna take that original color. Oh my God, it's so nice, that purple. I really walked into this video being like, I'm not gonna use the purple, but here I am. What is with me in purple? I know I do a lot of purple. I'm even wearing it right now. I guess that's why I like this collection so much, because she has the purple eyeshadow on like Jessica Rabbit does. Yes, I've let that go really soft, which I actually really like. That is so pretty. I really, really like it. Now mascara, I mean, you can probably guess, right? Wonderwand. This is such, focus. This is, oh my God, it's not focused. So the mascara Wonderwand is easily like one of my top mascaras in the world. I love it. The bristles are my favorite kind of bristles. And the formula is so epic. It's such a nice weighty mascara as well, just like holding it in your hands. And listen to this, it's new. Sorry, this video is gonna get flagged. So I really love this mascara. Let's watch. Well, you'll watch. I know what's about to happen. Shimmy at the base. I mean, hello, that's one coat. One. And if you do 3 coats, you get, what is it, 19 times the volume or something like that? I mean, 2 coats is more than enough. Look how long they are. This eye kind of sucks though, so. Like the eyelashes on the edge are currently like pointing in. I don't know why. I feel like I end up spending half my time trying to just position the lashes on this eye because they're all facing like the wrong way. But at least I get a good curl with this mascara. This eye is just messy, it's drunk all the time. Okay, that's on. I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer. This is one of my faves. It's called South Beach. Just gonna add a little bit. Blush. Again, this is literally probably my favorite blush out there. Matchmaker. So for the lipstick, this is the Jessica Rabbit Glitter Storm lipstick in a glittery tube with Jessica Rabbit's signature on the case there. Then ta-da! So, if you can focus, yeah, if you can see that, the lipstick has actually been coated in glitter pigment, so it's really unique and beautiful, not only in the tube like that as it is, but when you put it on, I find the color is unlike anything that I have. It's kind of a red, but I guess it's a blue tone red, and that's why I feel like it will actually go really well to kind of complement my pink headband and the purple here, and that's why I think it goes so well with the palette, because of course she's known for the purple eyeshadow, that kind of thing, so it goes well with that because it doesn't clash or anything like that. And the glitter pigments in the lipstick make it very unique. So it's a full color lipstick, like full coverage lipstick, but then it's got the star pigments inside, so I love it. Do you see what I mean? Like about the color of it? so seriously shiny, look. And it just happens to go so well with the purple in the eye, right? Do you know what I mean, Jelly Bean? So the Jessica Rabbit collection from Ciate is available at Sephora in the US, and it's available at Meccaland at Mecca this month. So you'll be able to get it in Australia for a limited time, but they are limited. It's not gonna be here forever. So if you wanna try it, definitely pick it up. It's just so gorgina. I really love it. I feel like if I was gonna recommend one thing from the collection, it would be the lipstick. I don't have anything like this in my entire makeup room, which is pretty much like a Sephora store in itself. So I'm really excited by this one in particular, and the highlight. Because if you can't tell, it actually blurs my pores, which is odd because normally highlighter will enhance that, but like the other Ciate powder products that I love, the bronzer and the blush, it has the same kind of blow your pores finish, which I adore. So I also love the highlighter. So guys, that's it from me. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know what you think in the comments. What do you think of my backdrop, by the way? I know it's a bit dark in here. Sorry about that. But yeah, I'm still setting everything up, so I'd love to hear your feedback. Let me know in the comments, and I also want to hear what your favorite product was in the collection from Ciate, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.